Okay, I was needing something for making pizzas, and we got this awesome silicone baking mat from Dean and Dania. So I want to just take you through some of the features. It's got all of these really handy measurements directly on the silicone baking mat. So it's got a ruler in the middle here. It's got different sizes for your pies or for whatever you're going to be rolling out on this mat. It's also got conversion for Fahrenheit and Celsius. And it's this super sticky kind of silicone material that just makes it so you literally cannot move it around at all. Like there is nothing that you could do to slide this around on your counter. It's got a really, really strong grip. So it's going to be perfect for baking. You can put your flour on here. You can roll out your dough. You could make pizza. There's all kinds of different things you can use this for. And it really is just handy how it has these measurements. The material itself is this silicone. You can see it's kind of a mesh covered silicone material. Again, very, very handy for how inexpensive this is. It's just one of those kitchen tools that is really easy to store and is a good one to have on hand. So check it out.